leave and come into
Government
the
will
job.
also support.
Sometimes it's one time it's support, every time it's not
After
support.
that is enough. One time only enough. You can go.
Next
But
time
not
also if
if
business
that
loss
one
means
time cost you to
Everywhere
lose the
government
business.
will give if you
There is also
wrongly you do did and something carelessly you do your business, government will again pay. No.
Most of
If
the
you
times you
listen
will
to-
get success if you are doing your
that much
business.
stress is not important. If you do job means you have monthly income, not
Yeah,
depend
yeah,
on
yeah.
this.
You are
less
having a
career
fixed
growth, no?
salary.
Yeah.
In job, less career growth.
How
and
come say that
job
less
insecurity
growth?
also we can
If you
say.
How
more,
can say less
Because
career growth?
here we can earn
if you have more skills,
more money
you earn more
compared to
salaries.
the job.
No, even in jobs I have seen that people are earning lakhs of money.
Yeah, nowadays.
They are giving
Lots of
getting
people
more
are there,
than
they-
to
You see some of the people only.
No,
lot of
there are lots of
kids.
people they do BTech, they are completed BTech engineering, they completed IIT, MIT, but they are not going to job. They are living home also because they are not paid their good money to their skills also.
Yeah.
because they had not utilized the time. That's the
If you
thing.
have sometimes
If they would have utilized the time, they would be doing some job in some
Lakhs of-
better field,
yeah.
like whatever they wanted to.
If they have career gap means companies will not take that people. If you have good
And if you are doing good in job, companies will also prefer you to give more, so that
Salaries.
you can do your much better things that you are doing before.
That's why we can do business.
Why?
When it's that time,
Yeah.
business not like that. When you if you get a job that time, they will ask if you quality that time only give.
Yeah,
But,
business
like,
uncertain. Incomes are uncertain now.
Yeah, if, one time you can get only
Yeah.
1 lakh rupees.
Next time you have
another-
losses.
another
Then
time.
save 50,000 rupees and spend 50,000. Like that we can save also,
Yeah.
na? Smartly, if you use money, then
Everyone has
Definitely
same
will
not
grow.
mental same
Opportunity
mentality.
to grow.
If you have their
But if you like someone wants to grow like as how they are, so they can prefer jobs, because jobs are they just have to go and attend, and whatever those works are given to them, they do complete it, and report it to their manager or something.
Still,
It is, we can say the work pressure, seniors work pressure is there, no?
Definitely,
As a
Even-
fresher,
There will
in business you are the owner of the company.
So,
So whatever
would
you
you
want, you
say-
can do. You need not to work under some person, or if
But
your
he-
manager will call
he
at
also has
night,
a
you have to
stress.
do so.
He
That
stress
you
also
have to
has a
do.
stress.
If
He
your
also has.
if your manager will call like at 12 o'clock, some urgent meeting came, so you have to join that
Definitely
time.
you get
No,
up
you
and
can
come and do
you
it.
can deny also.
in
No,
business
then-
also we
then
cannot say
they-
properly.
then they will cut your salary.
Yeah,
Or they will
yeah.
fire you.
Then you can
Yeah,
then you can leave the job and
in business also we
Because
cannot
it is not easy.
Lots of
properly.
people are came from outside state, Bihar, and Madhya Pradesh. They came Bangalore for doing. They don't go home. Last 3 years, they're doing job only in Bangalore.
Yeah.
We,
They will come
and so in business you can shut up your store and go to your
business we can
We can
work
have
on
proper
business
store.
anywhere.
Yeah,
no?
yeah.
You
You
can
can
run
have
your
proper
business
store.
for one day, 2 days. We
You
can also
can
do.
run if you go to
You can run you.
Yeah, we cannot have proper sleep.
you should have
When
that
we
much
go to
of,
home, we cannot
things
have
to,
proper
We
sleep.
have CCTV camera and everything. We'll put everyone
Yeah.
CCTV
You
camera.
can go
Free
and
jobs of
for that
working.
we,
You have to
people need
keep
money
another
also.
person.
We have keep another okay, but
How
there is
many
no
people
problem,
keep?
no?
There is
But
income.
installing CCTV cameras and it won't take that much money.
How, but won't it cost much? Do you think it would be done?
It's profit is
Don't
more,
have
right?
financial support
Definitely
also.
get you
And there's some
jobs
of people in Bangalore, whatever they going for job,
Profit is more.
and they
Definitely
do
we can
pani
do
puri
the
business also
camera,
inside. They keep
yeah,
one person.
employee job.
They kept one person to sell the pani puri, and they do their job and they get income. Pani puri
It is a
also.
part-time job. Part-time you are
It
telling.
is also called business only, no?
Yeah.
How can say the job part-time job?
He loses so many times, then only he will get succeed. If he lost 1,000 times, then only he succeed. Pani Puri.
I have seen businessmen who are selling street foods and all. They are earning good, but they are doing very much for their family. Like they are waking up at 5 o'clock, 6
Don't
o'clock,
have
and we
proper
start
sleep.
doing until like 10 o'clock in the night or 11 o'clock sometimes. They do so much of things.
They have health issues,
Sorry?
financially.
Job only near general
Job
shift.
also has health issue, no?
They
Not-
don't give you second shift, night shift order.
They whatever they time provide,
If you have any
tomorrow.
problems, there is PF fund, insurance
You are
will be there.
given-
Including business, everything
But-
coming to early.
You have to take. Company will not provide. You have to take.
You are a company owner.
Ah,
you
you have
can
to take,
give
you can
someone.
provide
you take
someone.
someone.
Ah.
Will
For
give
you right
employment,
now,
You give
employment
job to
the
others,
others.
it can be motivation to others also.
Yeah.
But,
For example,
but
you
we
take-
should do one thing that they will get motivated by us.
You
Without-
can expand your
without
company
it-
globally,
Yeah.
nationally.
But that needs money.
You have
don't
to
get-
finance-
Slowly
that
we
you
will get
will-
money. Slowly we will get. Not first year we
We,
will get.
first we
Yeah.
cannot
Ah,
direct
correct.
election
But-
internationally.
Most
But
of the
after 10 years,
businesses will
30
be
years.
closed in first year only. If they see losses, mean they are shut down the shops. Sorry.
There are very
There
small.
are
Yeah,
exception
yeah,
case.
yeah.
Not every time every business will close.
Yeah.
If any one only click, everyone is.
See, if you join one job, that time only give lakhs to salary.
No.
As a fresher, they
Yeah,
will.
pressure, how much you give? Then
Oh,
pressure.
34 lakhs, 5 lakhs. Monthly,
4 lakhs
yearly.
pressure.
No, no,
Yearly,
per
yearly.
year, per year.
Per year.
Yearly.
Per year, annual.
Annual.
But
Per annum.
per annum.
30 to 30.
30 to
20.
25
30
monthly.
Okay, you per month lakhs together.
You have less stress
This year's
only.
time also is a profit
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
less.
If you have less stress only here.
No.
There is no-
How we
in
can
the-
say?
in
As a
job
fresher, there is no
pressure,
job pressure.
In pressure also more pressure. In pressure only. In you
Hmm.
get experience. That time
Experienced
you can
person they have
do
don't
easily.
they can leave one company and get a job
Yeah.
another company. They
Yeah,
are
you
experienced, no?
In business, there
You
is no
don't have any
income in
experience.
first year. You have losses
For
only.
first year no income, only invest. They will not get it.
No, they-
Which business? First year no income, no profit. Which business?
You can check internet nowadays.
Why? You know na?
Some
You only
of
told
the-
you tell which business that one.
Most of the startups
No.
are shut down in the first year
In
only.
beginning, in
Because
initial
they are see
stage,
loss.
profit is less because of advertisement,
Hmm.
lack of advertisement. After 1 year, 2 years, you can earn more profit.
It depends
if you,
on.
if you join per annum is 3 to if you join one company for job, per annum is 3 lakhs. Per month you can get. In business per month
It
you
will
can
depends
get.
on
It will
situation.
take time, but it will take time.
5 years, in
Yeah.
5 years same continue.
5
How
years.
much?
In that
Lifelong,
like,
what you earn,
no, no.
lifelong.
In
within
that 5 years,
5 hours, so 5
in
years.
that, listen,
we can earn.
in that 5 years you can get promoted also in job, and you can get up to
Compared to
3
business,
to 4
you
lakh
get it
rupees
from
in
it
1 month.
10,000, 50,
No.
20,000 only.
I'm
you
saying
get-
that's
you
what
get
I'm saying. They're